ready to ditch the payroll headaches and get your team paid accurately and on time. Let's jump right into creating your Gusto Payroll account. First, head over to Gusto.com. You should see a button that says Try Gusto or Get Started. Click on that to begin. Now, Gusto will ask for some initial information about your business. This includes your company name, the industry you're in, be as specific as possible here, and roughly how many employees you have. Accuracy at this stage is key. Next up, connecting your business bank account. Gusto offers a secure platform to link your account, usually through a service like Plaid. This allows for easy and automated fund transfers for payroll. You can also enter your banking details manually, but the automated link is generally faster and more secure. Congratulations! Your Gusto account is now created. You'll be taken to your dashboard. Focus on the onboarding checklist provided. This will guide you through adding employee details, setting pay schedules, and ensuring tax compliance. Make sure you complete all the steps. This will set a solid foundation for seamless payroll management.